Hi there, I'm Tom Ahola. I'm the guy behind Nokia wrist attached sensor platform, the NWSP. If you haven't heard it, it's a research platform based on FPGA. It has all kinds of sensors, a capacitive touchpad and a color display. It also has a microphone, and I have a new demo. Actually, it's not a new one, it's an old one, but I haven't showed it to anybody before, so don't tell anybody. Let's keep it our secret. So with the microphone you can analyze sounds. And let's start it. Yodel, 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 yodel. In the display you can see the red one is the audio waveform, and on the bottom the blue bars is the audio spectrum, and there's also a frequency and musical tone indication. Hello there. Ouch. Alright, and then you can tune your guitar. Check it out. There you go. Right. And if you're into open source software, FPGAs, embedded systems, sensors, whatever, get your own. Xortech in Finland is a licensed manufacturer of the platforms. So you could get your own. And the whole thing is open source. If you would be interested to get the source code for the platform, you can get it. Our website, opensource.nokia.com. Some developers already have. TTI from Denmark implemented micro C Linux on this one. Good work. And see you later, I guess. I wonder, why on earth are people bowing forward? At the end of their video blogs. Is something supposed to happen? I mean, you could use your NWSP to shut down the video.